Hey, you guys, we are back with another credit card, and this credit card here is the Lowe's credit card. Now, I love my Lowe's credit card, so I'm happy to be able to make this video and be able to rave about how to use the Lowe's credit card, at least how I use it, because they do have the 6 months special financing, 0% APR, and then sometimes they even go even higher than that, like during like Memorial Day or anytime I got to do with vets, they have like the 12 months, which is amazing. So I'm going to talk to you guys later on how I do that. And then they even gave me a great increase too. Amazing increase. I told you about how I told you guys previously, if you guys watch my channel, how I asked for an increase one time. So I asked for an increase, and they asked you how much of an increase you want. And they gave it to me. I'm like, what? I'm like, I made it higher too. I added an extra $3,000. They gave it to me. I'm like, what is going on? It kept giving it to me, and then it was like, okay, you had enough increases for the day. But I think they gave me like 3 or 4 increases. So I definitely love the Lowe's Advantage card, and I definitely promote it for those people that probably in my situation that can really benefit from it. Now, someone said they was able to get $4,000. Someone said $800. Maybe they can get an increase after. I do think they can get an increase after, but they need to check that utilization. That's one thing they're going to want to look at. Somebody said they was able to get $1,000. Somebody said they was able to get $400, but they said I did do the pre-approval after watching your video, and I was pre-qualified for $9,000. I didn't continue with the application because I didn't want the hard inquiry at this time. Rickita, you helped me so much build my credit. It all started off with the shopping cart trick hack. Okay, good. Congratulations to them. So I have to reread some of these comments myself, you guys, because it's like, oh, that's good. I'm glad that I'm actually helping, because sometimes I don't want to make videos. Honestly, I just like want to stay in my own little bubble and go to school, be with my family. But I understand that I like to watch YouTube videos. So if I know something, I should put it out there. And that's why we're here. So definitely you guys can pre-qualify for the Lowe's Advantage card. You can click right here and you can be able to go to the website. If you guys find that you're having a hard time getting approved for this card, definitely look into my exclusive credit membership. As you can see here, these are actual results from my exclusive credit clients. This is stuff that I took directly off of Credit Karma. So seeing 113 point increase, 116, 90, 52, 87, 129. All of these were from my exclusive credit membership. I do have a dollar trial here for you all. But most likely you need to get some credit cards. You probably need to remove some accounts. You need to work on your utilization. And I'll be happy to help you with that process, me and my team. Now, here's some information about the Lowe's Advantage card. You do get a 5% discount on everything that you spend. I literally just got something in the mail saying that they had, I think they said they had like a limited promotion with like 12 months, 0% APR, but I don't want to use it at this time. But it's really good. And let me kind of go into it about that a little bit later after we talk about how TransUnion is who they're going to pull to approve you. You're going to pre-qualify with no hard inquiry. There is no annual fee at all, and it's for people with good and excellent credit. Now, I really love to use like the Lowe's card. If I'm going to, like, I started a garden, so I used my Lowe's credit card during that time. I got 0% APR for 6 months. But I like when they have like the 12 months, especially if you guys are going on vacation or doing anything like that. Like you can get gift cards and put those on 0% APR. And that's what I like to do mainly. Like for vacations, if I know I'm going to get a hotel, I'm going to hotels.com anyway. They got a hotel.com gift card. Any restaurant that you could probably think about, if you know you're going out to eat anyway, you can be able to get it there. So I like to go ahead and do the 0% APR there. During Christmas time, you can get Amazon gift cards. Even though I got my Amazon credit card, but during Christmas time, you can get Amazon gift cards. And that's just me being a woman. You're like, well, let me use this card for. And then I love, because I don't have a balance on it like that. I like to be able to have it for my utilization. That's the biggest thing. So like if I spend too much on these credit cards, at least I know this one got so many thousands of dollars I'm even using, you know? So that's why I'm like, okay, this is a good card for me. And then think about too, like I said, if you have a home, you want to get some appliances, they have special financing on that. If you want to get some appliances, you want to get the extra 5% discount. Basically, I think of that as not paying taxes. Also, they have like 24 months, but those have interest on it. But they have different financing options, so definitely look into that. But that's what I like to use. That's what I like to use the Lowe's card for myself. It could be different for everybody though, but that's just my spiel about the Lowe's card. Now, if you're having a hard time, again, here go my exclusive credit membership, different payment options. And I started the credit one-on-one. I put this together for those people that need to learn about credit. So if you guys if you guys need to learn about credit, this is great for you. It's a dollar trial for 7 days. It's 40 different downloadables, over 40 different downloadables that's available. From it teach about budgeting, disputing accounts, applying for cars, mortgages. It talks about the different type of scores out there with the FICO and things like that, how to be better approved for these accounts, what creditors can and can't do. It's like really the basics of credit. I put this course together. It's literally 206 episodes about different topics. So no matter what you're going through, I'm pretty sure it's something in that course talking about it. And it's only $9.99 per month. So definitely check that out. That's something that's going to be really great for you to have your kids watch. I'm also putting out a teen course in the summer of 2025, so look out for that. That teen course is going to be great that you're for your teens, so that they can watch that all summer. The goal is for them to watch that 2 summers before they leave the house, so that it's 100 things that they need to know before they turn 18. Start them on that when they turn 16. My daughter turned 16 in June, so I have her help me put together the course. I just have to record it, but I'm in school right now, so I'm going to have it all recorded and post it for the summertime so that your teens can watch it. I'm going to have that available also, and I'm going to have different downloadable guides and worksheets and stuff like that for them. But I'm turning to an actual course too, where they can answer questions, and I'm going to give them a certificate as long as they actually go through with the full course and they do great in it. So definitely look out for that, and then check out the credit one-on-one course. It's $1 trial for it. To me, the Lowe's Advantage card is similar to the Home Depot card, the Menards Big Card. I miss my Menards Big Card. We don't even have a Menards. I'm in Florida. I haven't seen a Menards. Menards to me was more up north. I think I seen one in like Georgia, if I'm not mistaken. But it was more of an up north thing, and I loved it because I can use it on gas and things like that. But now you can buy a gas gift card too with the Lowe's card. So I guess it's the same thing. But I think that it's similar to these cards. So if you like the Lowe's, maybe look into the Home Depot, maybe look into the Menards Big Card, and also Discover a cash back. You can't go wrong with that. 5% back on rotating categories. I just feel like you can't go back with that at all. Also check out these here too, different lists. If you're looking for the best credit cards for gas, I got a list for you. If you want cash back, I got a list of the best credit cards for cash back. If you're looking to build your credit, I got a list for you too. For students, bad credit, travel, just the best credit cards in general. And this is my favorite, pre-qualify with no hard inquiry. So that Lowe's card can pre-qualify you with no hard inquiry. And again, you can click right here to apply now. You guys should be able to pre-qualify for this card without a hard inquiry. They're going to tell you yes or no. But if they do say yes, keep in mind too, they're going to pull your TransUnion credit bureau to approve you. What I like to tell people to do is when you apply for credit cards, even though it's pre-qualified with no hard inquiry, I want you to go through the full application process, because you never know who they're going to pull. But you're going to find out when they give you a message at the end, when they say, hey, we were unable to pull your credit report, you need to unlock this credit bureau, and they're probably going to say TransUnion. So keep a freeze on your credit report when you go through the applications. I like to write down a list of the credit cards I want. I go through the full application. I wait for them to tell me that I need to unlock a bureau, and then sometimes they tell you to call. So I'll just call them, say, hey, it's unlocked now, and they can approve me right over the phone, or I'll go back and do another application too. That's some things that I like to do. But I want to guarantee that they are going to pull what bureau I thought that they were going to pull. But definitely check out these different lists, and it's not going to hurt you to pre-qualify with no hard inquiry. You get the hard inquiry once you say, yes, give me that credit card. Okay. And then we also have the 6 months of free letters for those people that have negative accounts on their credit reports and they need help removing these accounts. All you have to do is follow step 1 through 5. And the last step is to call us. We'll go ahead and create those dispute letters and we'll email them to you. It'll be 6 months worth of letters. Now, keep this in mind too, you all. Once you get the 6 months worth of letters in the mail, every month you have to mail them, and please mail them certified mail. That's what tracking. You're going to get way better results that way. Trust me. Okay. Because once you send certified mail, they know it's something serious. This is not just somebody just sending out letters. This is something actually serious. And also check this out too, the exclusive credit membership. I told you exclusive credit membership. These are actual results for my clients. Definitely check it out. And I hope that you guys are able to get approved for the Lowe's card. Now, I love the Lowe's card. Now, let me know too. I was talking about how I like to use the Lowe's card, and with the Lowe's card, I like to do like the 12 months 0% APR because I can use it for a certain type of vacations and things like that. What else would you use a Lowe's card for? Like, why are you even watching this video? What do you like the most? Would you be using it for your house, doing repairs? Maybe you're building a house. Maybe buying a house and you want to use it to get all your brand new appliances. You want to change your floors out, or maybe you want to do like I like to do. And I'm a couponer too, so I can get CVS gift cards there, and I can just add that in there. And to the mix, and it just makes it all better. So let me know what you'll be using the Lowe's card for. But I hope that you get approved. And again, when you get approved, ask them for an increase and ask every month. And if they give you an increase, tell them a higher amount because they're going to ask you what you want to increase for. So say if you start off with $6,000, ask them for 9. And if they give you the 9, go to 12. If they give you the 12,000, go to 15. Keep going until they tell you no, because that's what your new limit is going to be. But I found out that that's what it needs to be with the Lowe's card. But hopefully you get approved and ask for the increase for this card or any other credit cards that you guys have. I'll see you guys in the next one. Call me at 833 Rickita if you guys have any questions. Bye-bye.